Okay, in solving for the binomial theorem, ito lang tatlo yung kailangan mong i-remember. This three right here. This one, and this one. Kasi lahat ng term, all of the terms of the binomial expansion only contains these three. Okay? The first one is NCR. I'll explain later what is NCR. The second one usually involves whatever is the first term of the binomial. So if this is A, this is also A. Then the third one involves the second term of the binomial. And you just have to remember the exponent. The exponent of B is the R minus 1. The exponent of A is N minus R plus 1. Take note that for B, that is R minus 1. And take note that the R is kung pang ilang term siya. Say for example, if we are trying to solve for the fifth term, therefore R is 5. So the exponent of B would be 5 minus 1, that would be 4. Okay? I'm sorry, this should have been R minus 1. So that is N, C, R minus 1. Okay, let's try to solve this one. We are trying to solve for the value of ninth term. Take note that the R binomial is x plus 3 over 2 raised to 12, and we are trying to solve for the value of the ninth term. So how do we do this? Before we begin, let us first identify what is the value of n and r. The value of n is equal to whatever is the exponent of the binomial, that's the n. So the value of n is 12. And the value of r, kung pang ilan yung pinapa-solve sa problem. See, for example, pinapa-solve yung ninth term, your r therefore is equal to 9. So this is equal to 9. Okay, now, ninth term yung pinapahanap sa atin. Yung lahat ng term kasi ng binomial is composed of 3 factors. Ilalagay ko lang dito. Let's talk about the first factor first. Wag muna tayo sa first term pala. Sa second wag muna tayo sa first factor. Dito muna tayo sa second and the third factor. Sa second factor, the second factor always involve the first term of the binomial. So kung x dyan, you also have x here. So this is, you have your x, and whatever is the second term in the binomial, you also have, that is 3 over 2, so you also have here 3 over 2. So the quantity here is the first term of the binomial, and the quantity here is the second term of the binomial. Mag-iiba-iba lang naman yung exponent nila. Okay, since we are looking for the value of the ninth term, r is equal to 1, yung ilalagay natin dito is r minus 1. Since r is 9, this is 8. Okay? This is 8. And the exponent here naman, madali lang naman yung pag-find dito kasi you just have to take note that the sum of the exponent here and this 8 should always be equal to whatever is the number here, the exponent of the binomial, 12. So again, whatever is the number here, the sum of the exponent here and this exponent should always be equal to 12. So ano ba yung maging exponent niya para maging 12 sila? Diba? So this should be 4. This should be 4. Because when you add 4 plus 8, the result is 12. Okay? Or paano nakuha natin yung 4? You could also use this formula, n minus r plus 1. Take note that our n is 12. 12 minus 9 is 3 plus 1, that is 4. Or simply, the sum of this exponent and this exponent should always be equal to 12. So malalaman mo kung anong exponent dyan just by knowing the exponent here. Basta alam mo na if you add this number and this number, the result is always whatever is the exponent here. So yan na yun. You're halfway there. Dito naman, tingnan mo, that is n, c, r minus 1. So your n here, ano ba yung n natin? That's 12. So you will put 12 here, c, and r minus 1. Diba? This is r minus 1. So whatever is the number on the third factor, yun yung ilalagay natin dito. That is 8. Okay, that is 8. Now, ano ba yung value ng ng number na yan na 12C18. 12C8. Sulat ko dito. The 12C8. This is just equal to 12 factorial over 8 factorial quantity 12 minus 8 factorial. Okay? So, tingnan mo. Yung number na to, that's why you get 12 here. 12 factorial over yung number na to, 8 factorial, then multiplied by the difference. 12 minus 8, ito. 12 minus 8 factorial. So, that's how you solve. Now, I believe by now you know na how to solve for the factorial. So, we will not delve into this. Okay? So, ito, magiging your 8th term will be equal to ano ba yan? 12C8. So, this will be 12 factorial over 8 factorial. 12 factorial over 8 factorial multiplied by 12 minus 8 factorial. Yan. Then you have here x raised to 4 multiplied by, you have here 3 over 2 raised to 8. You just have to simplify this, and that is now the 9th term of the binomial expansion.